Sairam children, Sairam fourth class, welcome to your EVS class. How are all of you studying, learning, enjoying, helping your parents? Okay, this is good. So, we will begin today's class by chanting Omkar three times. So, kindly join your hands and close your eyes and get ready for the Omkaram. Om. Sairam. See children, today we will do few questions. You will enjoy doing that quiz. See, see the first question of the quiz on transport is it is the first city in India to possess a subterranean rapid transport system, the metro. Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai. Do you know the answer? Do you have any relative in Delhi, Kolkata, or Mumbai? See, guess. Is it Mumbai? Let me take Mumbai. Whether it is correct or not, let me do submit. It is incorrect. So let me show you the solution. It is Kolkata. So Kolkata is the first city in India to possess a subterranean rapid transport system, the metro. Now the second question. Complete the sentence using the appropriate options. Railways is a means of transport for ट्रैवलिंग विद इन स्मॉल विलेजेस. रेलवे से हम छोटे छोटे गांव में ट्रेवल कर सकते हैं. कैरिंग पीपल इन कोस्टल रीजन्स. कोस्टल रीजन मीन समुद्र के किनारे हम लोगों को ले जा सकते हैं. कैरिंग हैवी एंड बल्की लोड्स. बहुत ज़्यादा भारी सामान एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले सकते हैं. पैरिंग गुड्स एंड पीपल ऑन आइस. आइस पे लोगों को सामान और लोगों को ले जा सकते हैं. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? हाँ, सी, let me submit it. It is correct. Carrying heavy and bulky goods. Good children. Now question number 3. Which of the following shows a mode of water transport? What do you think? Which picture it is of? Correct, train. This is boat. This is helicopter. This is car. And I hope all of you must have guessed. Which is the correct answer? B. Let me take submit. B is the correct answer. Correct. Now question number 4. This form of transport can carry the most number of passengers. Which is this? Most number. Train, bus, aeroplane. Which is this? What do you think? Train. Let me take. It is correct. Train. Bus and aeroplane can carry large number of people, but in limited amount. Fifth, Look at the picture and choose the mode of transportation it belongs to. Which is this? Hot air balloon, as the name is suggesting, air. So, airways. It is correct. Airways. Sixth, ropeways are used in plains, mountains, deserts. While explaining chapter 1, I have explained you about ropeways. These are between the two mountains to travel from one mountain to the other side. Let me take see submit. I am submitting. It is correct. Mountains. Now question number 7. Which of the following is a limitation of air transport? Limitation means air transport में क्या इसके आगे नहीं हो सकता है. It is not suitable for short distance travel. ये छोटे डिस्टेंस के लिए ठीक नहीं है. इट कैन ओनली कैरी पैसेंजर्स नॉट गुड्स. ये सिर्फ पैसेंजर कैरी कर सकता है, सामान नहीं. इट डज नॉट कनेक्ट ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री. ये सारे कंट्री के पार्ट्स को नहीं कनेक्ट करता है. इट इज़ नॉट अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. ये बहुत आराम से ट्रेवल कराने वाला ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? ए. Okay, let me take. It is correct. It is not suitable for short distance travel. It is very fast means of transport. So to travel from one area to another area which is far away from our place, then we should use the air transport. Early humans used to travel by foot, bus, car. What do you think? Foot. At the time, no invention of bus or car was there. It is correct. Now, see the next question. Which of the following means of transport is used in places covered with ice? Buses, on roads, sledges, it is driven by dogs, on ice, trains, on rail, boats, in water. So, as the name suggests, it is sledge. The It is correct. Now see the next question. This kind of transport depends on engines. Bullock cart, in this no engine is there. In this only bullocks carry the cart. Palanquin, no. Bus, yes. It is correct. So this is clear to all of you. Now see the another quiz. See children, so quiz before that we have learned about the transport system, but nowadays as all of you might have been learning in the news that aeroplanes are not going from one place to another place. Few trains only are going, and people are avoiding going in bus also due to coronavirus. Due to the spread of coronavirus, people are avoiding traveling from one place to another place. And you also must not force your parents to travel in bus, train, or aeroplane. Stay at home, stay safe. See, This is about the ports of India. Name two major Indian rivers which are navigable and used for water transport. वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट में कौन कौन सी रिवर यूज होती है इंडिया की? घाघर, गंगा, ब्रह्मपुत्र, सावित्री. विच रिवर? सी सी द सॉल्यूशन. Ganga and Brahmaputra. They are used for the water transport. See the second question. Identify the type of ship shown in the picture. I have shown you the picture of cargo ship, passenger ship, tanker ship. Which type of ship it is? Tell me. See the solution. It is passenger ship. This picture I have shown you earlier also. The third question, for transport of goods and commodities on a large scale, which mode of transport is most suitable? गुड्स और सामान बहुत सारा सामान एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाने के लिए क्या ठीक है? रेलवेज, रोडवेज, एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट, वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. विच ट्रांसपोर्ट? वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. Some are saying railways, some are saying air transport. See the correct solution. Water transport is most suitable. See the question number 4. Which old port in India is also the biggest and busiest port? See, Panji, Mumbai, Ratnagiri or Port Blair. Which is that? See the solution. Mumbai. Nowadays, Mumbai and Delhi are in the main news. Why? Due to the spread of coronavirus. Large number of people are getting affected in Mumbai and Delhi. See, a sailor means जो नाव चलाते हैं या शिप चलाते हैं, start his journey from the port of Haldia and move south. Where is Haldia? Haldia, this is Haldia. See my cursor? You can see yourself also. He stops at Vishakhapatnam to unload some cargo. Where is Vishakhapatnam? Oh, Vizag. Here, Vishakhapatnam. From there, move south towards Tuticorin. और फिर उसके बाद साउथ में तूतीकोरन में वो चला गया. Can you identify the state he crosses? From Haldia to Paradip to Vishakhapatnam to Chennai to Tuticorin. Which are these? Haldia is in West Bengal. I have told you earlier also. See which state he has crossed. See, we will see the solution. West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. See, question number 6. Complete the sentence. People prefer transporting goods by sea because it is लोग बाग समुद्र से सामान पहुंचाना इसलिए पसंद करते हैं क्योंकि it is faster and safer, cheaper and faster, cheaper and heavier goods can be carried easier than any other mode of transport. ये फास्ट और सेफ है. चीप यानी सस्ता. ये सस्ता है और बहुत तेजी से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाया जा सकता है. सस्ता और भारी सामान भी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाया सकता है. इजी है किसी भी दूसरे ट्रांसपोर्ट के कंपैरिजन में. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? चीपर एंड फास्टर. सी द सॉल्यूशन. Cheaper and heavier goods can be ferried. See question number 7. Water transport is the most expensive mode of transport. Is the sentence true or false? वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट बहुत एक्सपेंसिव यानी महंगा महंगा है क्या? ट्रू और फॉल्स? फॉल्स. एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट इज मच मोर heavier than the water transport. False. Then submit. It is correct. So you children are enjoying the quiz. Only 2-3 questions are left. Pasha is traveling in the backwaters of Kerala with his family. What mode of transport will he use to cross the waterways in the lagoons? पाशा केरला के बैक वाटर में ट्रेवल कर रहा है, तो लगून्स को क्रॉस करने के लिए वो क्या यूज करेगा? सी. सपोज बी. The pictures are not visible properly. It is waterways. Name important ports located on the eastern coast of India. Eastern coast of India, two important ports. Ports means वो cities समुद्र के किनारे जहाँ पर सामान उतारा जाता है शिप से और बड़े बड़े बोट से और वहां से ले जाया जाता है और जहाँ पे आके लोग रेस्ट करते हैं. चेन्नई, कोच्चि, मार्मुको, मुगाओ, कोलकाता. Which are those? See the solution. Chennai and Kolkata. Name the ports shown on the map. Why it is not visible? The map is not coming. So you can show the. Is it Tuticorin in Chennai? See, it is Tuticorin in Chennai. You can search from the map on net. In this, some due to some technical problem, map is not coming. So, children, I think all of you have enjoyed today's quiz. So, it has made you active and faster, and you will watch this video again and again. Get ready for the Shanti part. Oh, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram. Thank you and Sai Ram.